Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert different heading styles in your Notion template. So the first thing we're going to do is we can see how we have heading 1 is the largest, heading 2 is the medium size, and heading 3 is the smallest. And then I did a little comparison of the text. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to click inside your Notion template and you're going to want to see this little prompt where it says write something or press space for AI or / for commands. Once that pops up, we're going to not use AI for this. We're going to use, because we want to know how to use the program, we're going to use the / key button. You can find that on your keyboard. You're going to hit that. When you do, you can see that there's all these basic blocks that pop up. We're just going to look for the picture that says H1, H2, and H3. We can also see there's a little example to the side of what it will look like. I do love this, especially if you're someone that is more of a visual person. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of these to choose from. I'm just going to go down the list and show you each of these. So I'm going to start with heading 1 first. And when we're doing that, we're going to be able to see a little prompt again, and it's going to say heading 1. We need to type in whatever we need to type in. The program is just letting you know that's the format of what you will be typing in. So this is going to be the biggest text. This is going to be for something if you really want it to stand out. Then we're going to continue to do the same thing over and over again, and you can practice with me so that you can get to know the program. We're going to do that / again, the command. It's going to bring up the list, and we're going to go to heading 3, and we're going to type in our text. And then this is how you utilize the headings in Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.